Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 10, xy is equal to 36. So the given equation is x plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. Then xy is equal to 36. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 10. Then let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 10 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 36. Let us substitute for y, which is 10 minus x. S bracket 10 minus s is equal to 36. Now let us open the bracket with this x. S multiplied by 10. This is 10s minus s multiplied by s. That is s squared is equal to 36. Now this can be written as minus s squared plus 10x minus 36 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Negative s squared divided by negative 1. This is s squared. Then positive 10s divided by negative 1. That is negative 10x. Negative 36 divided by negative 1. That is positive 36 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to the coefficient of s squared here, which is 1. B is equal to the coefficient of s here, which is minus 10. And C is equal to the constant here, which is plus 36. S is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 36 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 10. That is plus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 36, that is 144, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 144, that is minus 44, divided by 2. Now 44 is 2 here 22, 2 here 11, 11 here, that is 1. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 44 can be written as square root of, this is 2 squared, that is 2 times 2, 4. 4 multiplied by this 11 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 11 divided by 2. Therefore, s is equal to 10 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I square root of 11 divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. S is equal to 5 plus or minus I square root of 11. These are the values of S. Therefore, S1 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 11, and S2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 11. We've gotten the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 10 minus X. Now, Y1 is equal to 10 minus S1 is 5 plus I root 11, and Y2 is equal to 10 minus S2 is 5 minus I square root of 11. Y1 is equal to 10 minus, if you open the bracket with this negative, we have 5 minus I square root of 11. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 minus I square root of 11. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus I square root of 11. Y2 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 11. This is the value of. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 11, 5 minus I square root of 11. S2, Y2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 11, 5 plus I square root of 11. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let us check using this S1, Y1. You may also use this S2, Y2. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 10. Sy is equal to 36. Let us consider this. S plus Y, this is 5 plus I square root of 11 plus 5 minus I square root of 11 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. We have 5 plus 5. This is 10 is equal to 10, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy is 5 plus I square root of 11 multiplied by 5 minus I square root of 11 must be equal to 36. 5 times 5, this is 25, minus 5 times I root 11, we have 5I root 11 plus I root 11 multiplied by 5, 5I square root of 11, then I square root of 11 multiplied by minus I square root of 11, that is minus I square multiplied by square root of 11 all square must be equal to 36. This cancel this. This cancel this. 25 minus I square multiplied by 11 must be equal to 36. I square is equal to minus 1. 25 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 11 must be equal to 36. Now, minus multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 1 times 11, that is 11. 25 plus 11 must be equal to 36. 25 plus 11, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.